Have you ever stopped to consider the true power of the words you use every day? Words may seem like simple tools for communication, but what if I told you that they hold a hidden magic capable of shaping your reality? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating concept of using language as magic spells to transform your life and the world around you. Words are more than just a means of expressing ourselves. They have the incredible ability to influence our thoughts, emotions, and actions. The language we use, both internally and externally, plays a crucial role in creating our experiences and shaping our perceptions. Every word we speak or think has the potential to either empower us or limit us. By becoming aware of the power of words, we can consciously choose language that supports our growth and well-being. Recent scientific studies have shed light on the profound impact that language has on our brains. When we hear or read words, specific neural pathways are activated, triggering a cascade of chemical reactions that influence our mental and emotional states. Words have the power to stimulate the release of neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin, which can elevate our mood and motivation. On the other hand, negative language can activate the amygdala, the part of the brain associated with fear and stress, leading to feelings of anxiety and self-doubt. Understanding the scientific basis of language helps us recognize the importance of selecting words that promote positive neural responses. In many ancient traditions, words were believed to hold magical properties. Incantations, chants, and affirmations were used to invoke desired outcomes and manifest change. While we may not think of ourselves as wizards or sorcerers, we can still harness the power of words as magic spells in our daily lives. By consciously choosing words that align with our intentions and desires, we can program our subconscious minds to work in harmony with our goals. When we speak or think positively and affirmatively, we send a clear message to the universe about what we want to create in our reality. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves to reinforce desired beliefs and outcomes. They act as verbal magic spells, helping to rewire our thought patterns and cultivate a more empowering mindset. When crafting affirmations, it's essential to use language that is present tense, positive, and personal. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be confident," you would affirm, "I am confident and self-assured." By regularly repeating affirmations, you train your brain to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want, attracting more of those positive experiences into your life. Just as positive words can uplift and empower us, negative language can hold us back and limit our potential. Many of us engage in negative self-talk without even realizing it, using phrases like, "I can't," "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never succeed." These limiting beliefs become self-fulfilling prophecies, shaping our actions and outcomes. To break free from the spell of negative language, we must learn to identify and reframe these thoughts. When you catch yourself using negative self-talk, pause and consciously replace those words with more empowering alternatives. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," try affirming, "I am capable and willing to learn and grow." Gratitude is a powerful form of verbal magic that can transform our lives in profound ways. When we express gratitude for the blessings and opportunities in our lives, we shift our focus from lack to abundance. The language of gratitude helps us recognize the good that already exists, attracting more positive experiences and relationships. Make it a daily practice to express gratitude, both internally and externally. Start your day by acknowledging 3 things you're grateful for, and watch how this simple habit can change your entire outlook on life. The words we use have a significant impact on our relationships with others. Language has the power to build bridges of understanding or create walls of separation. When communicating with others, it's crucial to choose words that foster connection, empathy, and respect. Avoid using language that is judgmental, critical, or dismissive, as it can erode trust and create emotional distance. Instead, opt for words that express kindness, appreciation, and active listening. By being mindful of the language we use in our relationships, we can create deeper, more meaningful connections with the people in our lives. Storytelling is a form of verbal magic that has been used for centuries to entertain, educate, and inspire. When we share our personal stories or listen to the stories of others, we tap into a profound source of connection and understanding. Stories have the ability to transport us to different perspectives, evoke emotions, and challenge our assumptions. By embracing the power of storytelling, we can use language to create shared experiences and foster a sense of belonging. Whether it's sharing a personal anecdote or listening attentively to someone else's narrative, storytelling has the potential to create profound shifts in how we relate to ourselves and others. To truly harness the magic of words, it's essential to cultivate a practice of mindful communication. Mindful communication involves being present, intentional, and aware of the words we use and the impact they have. It requires us to pause before speaking, considering the energy and intention behind our words. When we communicate mindfully, we choose language that is clear, honest, and compassionate. We listen actively, seeking to understand rather than just to respond. By bringing mindfulness to our communication, we can create more authentic and meaningful interactions with others and with ourselves. Words are not merely a means of expressing ourselves, they are powerful tools for creating change and shaping our reality. By recognizing the hidden magic of language, we can consciously choose words that uplift, empower, and inspire us. Whether it's through the art of affirmations, reframing negative self-talk, expressing gratitude, or engaging in mindful communication, the words we use have the potential to transform our lives in profound ways. So the next time you speak or think, remember that you are wielding a magic wand. Choose your words wisely and watch as they manifest the reality you desire. Your words have the power to create your world, so speak with intention, speak with love, and speak with the knowledge that you are the master of your own linguistic magic.